This video will be about how you can quickly turn off your computer by holding only the escape key for 1 second. Here, we press this key, the one at the top. We hold it down and don't release it. Press. And after a second a window appears where the default setting will be sleep. Go into sleep mode. If this is what you need, then just press enter. Press escape and hold it. And now we press enter. The computer turns off and goes into sleep mode. If you just need to close this window, you just need to quickly press escape. If you press escape and don't hold it down, no window will appear. But if you hold it down, a window appears. Hold down escape for about a second, and this window appears. Here in the list, sleep is set by default, but you can select other actions, turn off, reboot, or change user. There are settings for this module. Let's go to the settings menu. And here in the search let's type shut. This is it. Here you can turn this functionality off or on. You can also set the timeout, how many seconds you need to hold the escape key. By default it is 800 milliseconds. Install this program. Download links are in the description. There are about 40 other features here. More about this in other videos.